Hey y'all, I'm DeeDee. Yes, Callie, if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys. So we have Callie. Why are you interrupting Mama? Come here. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. Jeez, turn around. Let me see what it look like. Okay. So this morning, of course, you hear Callie. We have Callie. We have Cam. You wanna say good morning?
Good morning.
Good job. You wanna say good morning?
Good morning.
Okay. So it went from Callie saying she was sick and didn't feel good to her crying, all this other stuff. Now she's saying she's hungry, whatever. Kim just got up. Kim has only been up like maybe 15 or 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get breakfast started. Typically we eat breakfast earlier than this, but I just base it on, you know, like what they got going. It's cold, so I think I'm gonna just do beef. So I'll probably do beef sausage and biscuits for them this morning. Let me sit y'all down. So Adrian just made it home, child, and the kids be acting like Adrian be going to Iraq when he come home. Daddy, 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 daddy. I was like, y'all are so dramatic.
Yeah, I think I can make it.
So dramatic. So yeah, I've been trying to eat between 11 and 7. Right, so what I had been doing was drinking coffee in the morning, taking like healthy snacks to work. So as soon as 11 o'clock come, so I would drink me a bottle of water in the morning and then take some of my vitamins, drink coffee. Then when I get to work as soon as 11 o'clock come, I would eat like a Nutri-Grain bar and like some other like healthy snack, and then go get me something to eat for lunch. So I was trying to eat lunch between like 11:30 and 12:30. And so eat lunch and then have like some fruit, you know, something else if I wanted to snack on. And when I drive home, I have something else that's healthy to snack on instead of a bag of chips or some candy or whatever. So I'm trying to get 3 meals in between 11 and 7, but a lot of the times I'm only getting in 2. So if I get hungry after 7 o'clock, then I'll just eat yogurt. I'm trying to keep the weight off. So that's what I've been doing. It's been going okay. I can't, you know, say that I lost no weight, but I ain't really gained a whole lot of weight. I'm just kind of maintaining at this point. Callie, sit down, please. I think Adrian is making soup today. At least I hope he's making soup because the temperature really did drop. So let me get these biscuits on here for these kids. Dang, that was fast. I just put them biscuits in there. Callie typically makes my coffee for me. I'm gonna have to see. Okay, I get it, Tommy. I'm gonna see if she wanna make my coffee while we let these biscuits cool off. Turn this timer off. It'll drive me crazy. Drive me crazy. Off. 1 minute for the biscuits. Yeah, I'm gonna see if she wanna do my coffee. Okay, so you wanna make my coffee, Callie? Mm-hmm. Okay. You gotta take it out. Okay. Then what?
This.
Okay, get that. Put it up there. Wait. Okay, then we gotta put the cup. You gonna get the cup? Put the cup up there. Good job. Hold on. Wait. Let me turn the cup so the handle is out. What'd you say?
You smell it.
Oh, you want me to smell it? Okay. Oh, it smells so good, Callie. It smells so good. Mmm. You stirring? Good job. All right. Yeah, Mama gotta taste it first to make sure it's not hot, okay?
Okay.
Let me go.
May I have some? May I have some?
Yeah, hold on. Let me blow it.
Okay. I taste it yummy.
It tastes yummy?
Yeah.
Breakfast is served.
I got it.
Come on, Cam. Right. Daddy said yes. So I guess that we were having taco soup today. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Yay, yep. Taco soup. So how long does it take to cook it in the crock pot?
Probably about 30 for 45 minutes.
Oh, that's it?
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's almost up. So are you putting this meat in there too?
Yep.
Oh, okay. And that's turkey meat. Callie, Mama's talking to Daddy.
Yep.
Can you wait? Okay, thank you.
Turkey.
Gotcha. So I just moisturized my skin. Can y'all tell? I'm trying to make sure I put it on my neck. I have this little oil that I put on top of my moisturizer or whatever. But anyways, I'm about to go get these kids dressed. I had to get myself dressed first, because if not, then I'll just start doing random stuff around the house and I'll never put no clothes on. So who's gonna be first, Callie or Cam? I say Callie. Yeah, let's go and get you out the way. So I'm gonna plait the front up. The back already has like a lot of plaits on it. I'm gonna just take down the ones on the side that are kind of like sticking up. Oh, you said maybe it's like, okay, yeah, you're right about that. Let me see. It looks so neat, Mama. You like it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna leave it in these two ponytails. What'd you say, boo? I'm gonna send both of them down there. I'm gonna come down there too and eat. Okay. So that ended up taking a lot longer than I had predicted. It is 2:30. I think what had happened was I ended up taking too many down in the back to redo. I should have just started with the front. And then with her only being 2, of course she gonna not want to sit down the whole time, but she did good. I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't mean to do that. But I really like the way it came out. Come here. Typically I just did the ponytails back just because, but typically her ponytails would be up or it may be like in a little bun or something like that, but I didn't want it to be tight, so I pushed it back. So child, I said I was gonna put the tree up upstairs, just like put the tree up, not decorate it. And now I don't even feel like doing that. I'm gonna go downstairs and eat, because like I said, that took a little longer than I expected. Hopefully Callie will eat something and then she'll lay down. Oh, excuse me, she'll lay down for a nap. At least I hope so. Okay, this is the yummy taco soup that Adrian made. So we eat our taco soup with these Fritos, which is so good. And sometimes a little bit of cheese. Cam, are you eating? He eating the chips? Suki, you gotta eat all of it together. Oh, so you did put cheese in there? Yes, baby. I brought the table. It's not on the table? No. Okay. Perfect for me. She said I told you. Some chips. Eat your food. Miss Thing, eat your food. Don't worry about what Cam doing. You eat yours, okay? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. I do just a little bit of cheese. Just a little. This is a soup. The chips in it. Like a lot of chips. The kids are eating. Callie actually playing though. Cam is kind of sort of eating his. But Mama is going in, baby. So I had stopped vlogging earlier because my eyes really started bothering me. Probably around like 4-ish. I don't know what happened. I just know that they've been burning really bad ever since then. I've always had a problem of seeing far away, but I could still like read the numbers on the oven and stuff like that, but I couldn't even do this. I don't know what's going on with my eyes, so I just stopped. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you for spending the day with us. I really appreciate it. So until next time, talk to you later. Bye.